to my channel. My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. So if you watched my last video, you would have seen that I blow dried my hair, and today, right now, y'all are just going to see me clip my ends because my ends are terrible. The last time I blow dried my hair was like back in March, April, somewhere like that. And that was also the last time that I trimmed my ends. So I'm gonna just say it was March. So April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Ooh, it's been like 8 or 9 months since I last trimmed my ends. So my ends are in need of a nice trim. I don't plan on trimming more than about an inch, maybe an inch and a half, but we'll see. So basically for this process, you're going to need some hair scissors or hair shears. So not kitchen shears, not safety scissors, nothing except hair shears. So I got 2 different types, but professional ones, well, not professional, get some at Sally's, or they even sound like at Dollar Tree and stuff. Just make sure there's some for your hair, and only use them for your hair, because once you start to use them for different things, the blade or whatever will get dull, and dull ends creates more split ends, more damage when you trim your hair. So you really need to make sure that you use hair shears. I'm trying to look at the camera, y'all, but I keep looking back at myself. I'm trying to look at the camera. So use hair shears. And then another thing that you would need is some clips, or like ponytail holders, or rubber bands, or whatever you choose to hold your hair up with. I want to use these 2 clips. So I think they're called gator clips. I don't know. It actually came with my Calista style dryer, and that's what I use to blow dry my hair. But you saw that in the last video if you watched it. But yeah, you're gonna need these. And then also, I would recommend a fine tooth comb, like so. They have combs with like even finer or smaller teeth with like a thinner tail. I would recommend that one for sure, but this will do. And maybe this is like, these last 2 is optional because I really don't know if I'm gonna need them, but a paddle brush and a wide tooth comb, or whatever you like to comb out your, blow out hair with. So yes, so pretty much I'm going to split my hair down the middle. I'm gonna use this one. And it's okay if the part isn't like perfect. It's not that big of a deal, but you just want it to be, semi-straight. As straight as you can, possibly get it from what you can see. I'm not a professional as well, might I add. I'm not a professional. So, yeah. Oh. Oh my gosh. Hold up. My contact is a little irritated. So pretty much on this side, I'm going to twist it and get it all the way up out of the way. Just, wrap it up, get one of those clips, and clip my hair right out of the way. So now on to this side. How am I going to do this?
Have you ever felt? Are you listening? Damn.
So now all we have left is this back piece, and my hair is all different types of lengths because I haven't, had it professionally cut or anything. And then, just over the years I've trimmed it myself. So breakage, like in the middle from like buns and stuff, just all different types of factors have really, my hair is just not all woman. so I'm not really tripping too hard. I need another clip. Okay, y'all, so as you can probably tell, I originally wanted this video to be a talk through, but I feel like a voiceover would just be better because, you know, I just feel like it would be better. But as you can see right now, I'm just showing you the ends that need to be cut. And like I was just telling y'all in a previous clip, my hair is so many different lengths for so many different reasons. So when clipping my ends, I really just found the happy medium between, you know, the different lengths and whatnot. I know that's not good, but that's what I did. And yeah. And this is why I recommend a smaller tooth comb, so it can really kind of snag at the bottom pieces so you can really see. Because I don't really have that thick of hair. And again, in this clip, like I just said, I am finding the happy medium between, you know, the different lengths and stuff. And that's how much I cut off. And like I just said in the previous clip, again, I don't have that thick of hair. So it's a little like I'm not cutting a lot, but trust me, y'all, I am.
I know y'all looking at this and probably like, girl, you can cut more out, but honestly, it look a lot better than what it was looking. It's not as dry at the ends. Like, let me compare and contrast for y'all. This, you see that bottom scraggly ends versus this. Like, let's go all the way down to the tips. So y'all can see. I know y'all like, girl. Wait. You see the difference? It's just way more scraggly over there. So, yeah. That's why this is important.
So I cut off a little bit of good hair too, because it won't hurt it. It really won't. Oh yeah, I cut off. Make sure I get mixed. I cut off a nice amount. You see the difference? I certainly do. I see the difference. Okay, y'all, so now in just these clips, I'm just showing y'all that I'm showing y'all just me clipping my ends. You know, it's really no big deal. I just wanted to show y'all in some parts, like this one, how I'm parting, you know, the different sections off, and then just how much I'm generally clipping off each piece. And yeah, I am clipping off about 1 inch or so of hair, and I try to, you know, cut off an even amount all around, but I cut off what needed to be cut off. So healthy hair over length at all times, y'all.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
Look at these ends. They already look so much better. But they're pretty good. See? It went from super straggly. We went to this from this. It's definitely shorter. They say, oh, it's not that much shorter. But let's look at these ends. These are the ends I just clipped. And these are the ends that need to be clipped. See the difference? I don't know where to put it. I'm sure I don't know what to do for y'all to see. But I can see the difference. It's not nearly as straggly on this side no more. Honestly, I could probably take a bit more off, but I can definitely see the difference. And the ends feel completely different on this side.
And that's literally, it's literally all the hair from that side. Not bad at all. Okay, y'all, so I finally finished this side, and that's what it's looking like now. Much, much better. Now I'm gonna compare the sides and make sure one side isn't too long and they're about the same. Okay, y'all, so right here, I know I look weird, but basically what I'm doing is just making sure my hair is even on both sides. I don't know if this makes sense if you're just looking at it, but in my head, this part made sense to do. So I'm just kind of pulling the hair and making sure everything is even. And what you see now is me clipping off the little part that's not even. But that's pretty much all I was doing. Much shorter than it was, but look at the ends, they look so much better. So yeah, if you haven't watched my blow drying video, I have 2 of them on my channel. Well, technically 3 if you include my curly straight video, but my most recent one, I have it linked up in this corner in the eye. And yeah, just click it if you haven't watched it. You just get to see how I got it. You know, fairly straight. I use a new tool and nothing too crazy or nothing. But yeah, as for styling, I think I'm gonna try to like wrap my hair and like wear it straight. You think that's like feasible? If it's not, I'll figure out something. I may have a video on it. We'll see. But yeah. Alright, y'all. Bye. See you in my next video. Oh, I said I was gonna film it. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. I don't know. But yeah, bye. Okay, as y'all can clearly see, I'm trying to wrap up my hair, but I completely forgot to show y'all how much hair I trimmed. It's probably like a few extra strands I didn't get, but that's it, y'all. That's all the hair that I trimmed. That's it. That's it. And it made the biggest difference. Just that much hair. As y'all know, I got like pretty fine hair, so it's not like I got super thick hair, but it's all I trimmed. But yeah, y'all. Yeah. Okay, I'm about to put a scarf on, but yeah, as y'all can see, I'm trying to wrap it like it's straight. You know, this is what you do when your hair is straight so it can last. So I'm trying to see like would this make my hair silky or something, but we'll see.
Damn.
Okay, y'all, so I really do hope this video helped anybody to, possibly learn how to trim their own ends. I really don't know because I'm still getting used to it myself. But if you did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to see you in my next video, y'all. Bye.